The vast expanse of our universe is home to countless galaxies, each with their own multitude of stars and planets that possesses incredible and sometimes perplexing properties. These celestial bodies exhibit extraordinary colors and qualities that are sure to pique your curiosity. From massive planets that nearly become stars themselves, to worlds that rain diamonds and glass, the diversity of these planetary wonders is truly astounding. But how do these strange and fascinating celestial bodies come into being? When stars are formed, they are born with a cloud of dust and gas that is constantly rotating. As atoms within the cloud combine due to gravity, a sphere begins to take shape, eventually becoming a star. The remaining dust and gas within the cloud form into planets, meteorites, and comets. The outermost regions of the solar system are usually home to gas giants, while the inner planets are predominantly rocky. Understanding this formation process is essential to appreciating the uniqueness of these alien worlds. Join us now as we embark on an unforgettable journey to explore the enigmatic planets that inhabit our universe. You are watching Futuristic YouTube channel. Do subscribe to the channel. Planet number 1, J1407b, also known as the Super Saturn, is an exoplanet that has captured the imaginations of astronomers and stargazers alike. Located approximately 434 light-years away from our own planet is the constellation Centaurus. This stunning celestial body boasts one of the most impressive ring systems in the known universe. What sets J1407b apart from other ringed planets is the sheer scale of its rings. In fact, the planet's circumplanetary rings are a staggering 640 times larger than those of Saturn, the ringed planet in our own solar system. This enormous ring system is believed to be composed of countless small fragments of rock and ice that orbit the planet in a complex and intricate dance. If J1407b were to replace Saturn in our own solar system, its rings would be so vast and awe-inspiring that they would outshine even the full moon in our night sky. Imagine looking up at the heavens and seeing a planet with rings so immense that they dominate the sky, casting a glowing halo around the planet like a cosmic crown. What's even more fascinating is the presence of an empty space within J1407b's ring system. This gap suggests that the planet may be home to its own ringed moons, just like Saturn. The idea of multiple moons with their own rings orbiting a distant planet is a truly mind-boggling concept, and one that highlights the incredible diversity of planetary systems that exist throughout the cosmos. Planet number 2. Gliese 581c was discovered by astronomers in 2007 using the radial velocity method, which detects planets by measuring the small wobbles they create in their host star's orbit. This method works by observing the star's spectrum for slight shifts in its wavelengths caused by the gravitational pull of its orbiting planet. One interesting fact about Gliese 581c is that it is very close in size to Earth, with a radius only 50% larger than our planet. This has led scientists to speculate that it may have similar geology and atmospheric conditions to Earth, making it a good candidate for habitability. However, further research is needed to confirm this possibility. Another interesting aspect of this exoplanet is that it receives about the same amount of radiation as Earth does from the Sun. This means that if the planet has a similar atmosphere to Earth, it may be able to support liquid water and potentially even life. In 2014, a follow-up study on the planet's habitability suggested that Gliese 581c may actually be too hot to support liquid water due to its proximity to its star. However, other research has contradicted this claim, leaving the planet's habitability status uncertain. Planet number 3. GJ1214b is a fascinating exoplanet that has captured the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts. Located about 40 light-years away from our planet in the constellation of Ophiuchus, this planet is nicknamed the Water World due to its high water content. In fact, this planet's mass is believed to be about 6 times that of Earth. with at least 50% of its volume being water. However, unlike Earth, GJ1214b has no land surface, and instead, it is entirely covered by a deep and dense ocean. The water on this planet is so hot and pressurized that it exists in a state of supercritical fluid, a state where it has properties of both liquid and gas. Despite the challenging conditions on this planet, scientists are still interested in studying it to learn more about the possibility of life beyond Earth. One interesting possibility is the existence of extremophiles, organisms that can thrive in extreme environments. On Earth, such organisms have been found in places like hot springs and deep sea vents, and it is possible that similar organisms may exist on GJ1214b. One of the most exciting things about GJ1214b is that it has already been extensively studied by telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope, which have been able to measure its atmospheric composition. These measurements suggest that the planet has a thick, hazy atmosphere with clouds of water vapor and other gases. This makes GJ1214b a promising target for future missions that could study its atmosphere in more detail and search for signs of life. Planet number 4. Gliese 436b. Gliese 436b is truly a unique and fascinating planet that continues to baffle scientists. Despite being located a staggering 30 light-years away in the constellation Leo, this exoplanet has gained significant attention for defying the laws of physics. It orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, with a revolution 15 times closer than Mercury's orbit around the Sun in our solar system. This proximity to its star heats the planet up to an astonishing 439 degrees Celsius, creating an environment that should be inhospitable to any form of ice. However, the ice on this planet remains solid, leading to one of the biggest mysteries in the scientific community. Scientists have concluded that the reason for the ice's solid state is due to the planet's high gravity, which compresses the water molecules together at such a fast rate that it automatically turns into solid ice. The ice on this planet is so thick that it won't melt unless the gravity of Gliese 436b is reduced. Despite the hostile environment, Gliese 436b revolves around its star in just 15 hours, which is equivalent to its 2 days. It's a remarkable feat that demonstrates the incredible diversity of planets that exist in our universe, each with its own unique features and characteristics. As scientists continue to explore exoplanets like Gliese 436b, we'll undoubtedly learn more about the fascinating mysteries that the universe has to offer. Planet number 5. 55 Cancri E. 55 Cancri E is a truly fascinating planet, often referred to as the Diamond Planet. This intriguing world is located just 40 light-years from our own planet and is situated in the Cancer constellation. It's twice the size of Earth and contains 8 times more mass, making it a super-Earth. The star it orbits has a massive amount of carbon, which has led to the planet being composed mainly of carbon as well. Under the high pressure and temperature conditions, the carbon takes a unique form and creates a diamond structure, which has given rise to its nickname. But just how many diamonds could there be on this planet? It's difficult to estimate, but some scientists believe that the amount of carbon on 55 Cancri E could be worth a fortune. One estimate suggests that the total amount of diamond on this planet could be as high as 10,000 times the total mass of Earth. That would make the diamonds on 55 Cancri E worth an estimated $26.9 nonillion, an astronomical sum that is almost impossible to fathom. It's no wonder that this fascinating planet has captured the attention of scientists and stargazers alike. Planet 6. PSR B1620-26b. Planet 6, also known as PSR B1620-26b, is an extraordinary planet due to its incredible age. making it one of the oldest known planets in the entire universe. Estimated to be around 13 billion years old, it's nearly as old as the universe itself. Scientists speculate that this planet may have formed around a star similar to the size of our own sun, only a few billion years after the Big Bang. Located in a dying area of the universe, the surrounding stars have long since exhausted their energy, resulting in a lack of light and heat. Despite the challenge of researching such a distant planet with limited resources, scientists are eagerly anticipating the launch of the James Webb Telescope, set to launch in 2021 to 2022. This groundbreaking telescope is expected to provide new insights into some of the earliest planets and stars in the universe, including Planet 6. With the help of the James Webb Telescope, researchers may finally be able to unravel some of the mysteries of this ancient planet, including its composition and any unique features it possesses. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.